Oh, I'm cooking again. But I'm not cooking for people today. I'm cooking for my dog. Sometimes when dogs get upset tummies, or in my case, my dog has like a thing in her mouth right now that's like bothering her teeth, and she's got to get it removed, and it's like a whole thing. But she doesn't like to eat her crunchy, hard food because it's crunchy and hard. And she's got to like hot stuff. I cooked a couple big chicken breasts, and like, I'm not going to give her 3 giant chicken breasts. That'd be too much food for her. But I cooked a few chicken breasts for her, and I'll cut them up, and I'll give her a little bit here and there, a little bit there. So I got 3 ones I just took out of the oven. You can see the steam rising off them maybe right there. It's pretty crazy. So I'm going to cut them up. All right. I'll grab this one here. Looks like a good one. And I'll bring it over to you guys so you can see it better over here. There's a big chicken breast. Now you'll notice there's nothing on this chicken. There's no peppers, there's no spices, there's no anything yummy on it at all. This is like a kind of like a Minnesota chicken breast, I guess you could say, where it's completely unflavored. You know, basically basic chicken breast with nothing going on about it at all. Just plain old chicken breast. You know, like if your aunt in Minnesota was cooking chicken breast for you, it probably looked just like this. Just like nothing, no chicken. I got that squeaky knife thing going on again. People complained last time about my knife usage, and I was making too many squeaks. But you know, hey, it's what you get sometimes, and you got a certain kind of thing on, and you got certain kind of stuff happening, and you got different things. All right, so I got a bunch of chicken here. Cut it into little pieces, right? Put it in the dog dish. Put it in the dog dish. Because dogs' food goes in dog dishes. That's how they like eat that way, out of the dog dish, more than they like to eat other ways, you know. And my dog, she goes crazy about this. She doesn't want to eat her regular hard food. She's like, whoa, that's so hard. It hurts my mouth and stuff. But I make this stuff for here for her. She's like, okay, now I get it. This is like a bonus episode of non-human food right now, right here, going on right here. And you might think, why do I have to cook anything for my dog? Can't like wild dogs, like wild wolves eat like raw chicken? I don't think so. Because unlike a wild wolf, they didn't grow up eating raw chicken. They grew up eating processed food out of a dog food bag. So you got to cook the chicken up for them like they're a person, like a little person. So I can make a little couple more here. I don't know, sure. Shook's pretty hungry over there right now. All right. And you might think, oh, this chicken, that they're going to give your dog? No, it's not what I'm going to give my dog. I'm going to give her other stuff too. Because you can't live on chicken alone. Maybe you can. I don't know. But you wouldn't want to because it'd be really boring real fast. Nobody wants that. Boring is bad in food. Always bad. I can just ask anybody about that and they'll say, yeah, boring food, that's bad. Even people in Minnesota, they're probably like, I'd like to get out of Minnesota sometime and eat some food that's not so boring. And then they go on vacation and they go, oh my gosh, people in other parts of the world, they put the flavoring on their food and they freak out. It's crazy. But all this chicken, so much chicken, my dog's like, whoa, I'm so happy right now. Now I also made some rice. This is plain rice. This is like minute rice, you know, like the worst rice you can get, right? Put this on top of here. Mix a little bit of that in there. But I'm not done yet. Not done yet. Another thing I like to do is a little chicken broth here. This is like, make adds a little bit of salty flavor on it. Just a couple splashes on there. Just a couple splashes. Some people will also add, and I've done this myself too, you can add like a little pumpkin. Like get like a can of pumpkin. Get a couple spoonfuls of pumpkin and like put it on there too and mix it up. Dogs like the pumpkin. I don't know why. All right. Made the food for my dog. Look at my dog. She's sitting there going, hey man, what we're gonna get to eat? So I'm bringing this over here. Come on, ready? Put it right down here. And my dog now, she's like, oh boy, cooking. Take a look at this dog. She's eating so happy right now. She's like, I love chicken. Chicken's like my favorite food when my mouth hurts. And I'll see you guys next week.